Doing my own hair has been the best thing that has ever happened to me, and that is why I want to show you guys and teach you how to do your own hair, how to cornrow your hair. If you're interested, keep on watching. Hello for queens, so welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to cornrow your own hair, and for starters, I'd really like for you to just be patient with yourself when you're doing your own hair. You're not going to learn overnight. So what happens is you need to practice more, and then with time you're going to get better. For starters, when it comes to cornrows, you need to learn how to braid your own hair. And for those who don't know how to braid their own hair, don't worry, I got you. There's a video, I'm going to link it down in the description box on how to braid your own hair. Yeah, so if you don't know how to braid, you can pause this video and then go straight to that video. So cornrows are basically just braiding the hair. The only difference is you're braiding an entire section, and yeah, you're just adding more hair to it, and it's going to have that flat surface. Yeah, and it's going to form that line. So as you can see, this is what a cornrow is. So I'm going to do this a couple of times so that you can be able to understand well, and you can also get to see the technique that we are using. So cornrows are one of the best protective styles that for me I prefer using, and most people who wear wigs, I have seen most people using cornrows, which are very, very good as long as you make sure that you're not doing it too tight. So we're just going to use the same technique that we've been using with the previous video on how to braid your own hair. You take a section and divide it into 3, and then use any kind of method that you prefer using. So I'm going to use the under method. Yeah, so I'm just going to take one piece and cross it under the middle section so that it becomes the middle section, and then take another piece and cross it under. Now that's basically the entire technique that we're going to be using. But now what we're going to do is take a piece of hair as we are going. So as you can see here, we're taking a piece of hair, we're taking a small section of hair and adding it, and then continue, and then we're going to continue with the braiding. Yeah, as you can see now, we take a piece of hair and then we continue to braid. So now we're going to do this again. We're sectioning the front part and dividing it into 3 sections, and then we're going to do the under method. Yeah, so you're taking the first section and crossing it under to the middle section, and then the other section to the middle section. Now we're going to do that throughout, but then we're going to be adding more hair. Now we are adding more hair as we go. So the secret to a neat cornrow is doing it slowly. You do not need to rush, and then what you need to do is add smaller pieces of hair. When you add smaller pieces of hair, the cornrow becomes very neat, and it's easy for you to grip the hair, and it's going to be even throughout. But then again, you need to understand, do not do it too tightly, because this is supposed to be a protective style. It's not supposed to rip out your hair. And as you can see, like my edges, I do not put any kind of tension on my edges. I do not mind my edges looking the way they do, so I just leave my edges alone. I leave my hairline alone because I don't want it to break. So we're just going to do the same technique over and over again by doing this cornrow, and I'm pretty sure the video is self-explanatory, and you just need to practice more and more, and then with time you're going to be perfect. So first of all, you need to make sure that you're not doing it too tight. And as I told you before, it's supposed to be a protective style. It's not supposed to be too tight, and at the same time you're not supposed to make it loose, because it's not going to last any longer and it will not look neat as well. Now that's basically it. All you need to do is braid and then add hair as you go. Yeah, and make sure it's not too tight. I'm going to emphasize more on this because if you make your cornrows too tight, trust me, you'll have a headache, and also you're going to cause breakage on your hair and your hairline, and we don't want that. We want our hair to grow. So it's quite simple. As long as you continue practicing more and more, I'm sure with time you're going to be perfect. I didn't learn this in a day. I practiced more and more and more until right now I'm still learning a few things here and there. So yeah, you never stop learning when it comes to these things. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and for those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. See you in the next one. Bye.